Kids, let's play the racing truck game. So let's go. Oh my god, kids, what a huge trucks. Wow. So kids, let's play the game. 3. Wait a second. Come on. Yeah. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Come on, my truck. Come on, my truck. And jump. Oh no, it's too much soon. Oh no, I am late. And go. Yay. Come on, come on, come on. Yippee. Whoa. We win. Wow, kids, we win the match. Woohoo. So kids, let's start the new level. Well, kids, let's go and win this truck game. What a great trucks. 3, 2, 1, go. And jump. Oh no. Yay. Come on, my truck. Come on, my truck. Yippee. Yippee. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Yay. Yay. Woohoo. We finally win again the match. Yay. Hehehe, kids. Now let's play level 3. Wow. So kids, we have to start the race and win this race in any situation. So kids, are you with me? So let's go. Come on. And jump. Jump. Yes, perfect. Jump. Yay, jump. Kids, we have to jump and yay. 3, 2, 1. Oh ho. We win again. Kids, if you like the video, please subscribe the channel. So kids, let's start the daily challenge race. Wow, now we have new exciting trucks. Come on, come on. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. And jump. Jump. Yeah, perfect. Come on, come on. Jump. Yay. Oh no, I am late. Don't worry, jump. Jump. Yay. And there you go. Kids, we are win again and again. Woohoo. Oh, so let's start the level 5. There are our 2 dangerous trucks, kids, and we have to win this any situation. So let's start. Hoo ha 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 ha. Let's go. Go, go, go. Yippee. Yippee. Oh no, I'm late. Yippee. Oh no, I'm losing. I am losing. Oh no. No, 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 no. Oh man, I lose. Don't worry, kids. We have more chances to win these levels. Come on, my truck. You have to win this match. And start. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Come on, come on. You have to win this game in any situation. And go. Perfect. Yay. Come on, come on, come on. Yippee. We almost win. No. Yay. 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 Kids, we win again. Wow. What a pleasant surprise. Hoo-hoo. Now kids, this is our last and final race. So kids, let's begin. There are our 2 dangerous trucks. And we have to win this game. Come on, and let's go. 3, 2, 1. Go! Go, 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 go. Oh no. Jump. Yay, perfect. Come on, come on, come on. Yay! Yay! And yay! Yay! We win! Finally, kids. We win. Hehe, yeah, yeah. Now kids, we left 2 more races and we will end this game. Come on, come on. We have two more chances. And 3, 2, 1, go! Go, 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 go! Come on, my truck, you can do this! Jump! Yay! Jump! Oh no, I'm late, I am late! No! Yay! Yay! Oh no, I am losing, I am losing! No, no, no! Yay! Oh no! How, kids? I lose! Oh no! Oh, kids. However, kids, we have one more chance. And wow, it sounds like good. So, my truck, don't embarrass me. Don't be embarrass me. My truck, you have to win. And jump, yay! Jump, yay! Oh my god, this truck is faster than us. Oh, yay, nay, 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 no, 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 no. Oh! Oh my god, we win. I think we win. Yes! We are the winner! Woo! So let's start our most hardest and final race. Kids, are you with me? So let's start the race.